Hey, what's up YouTube? Windows 11 has something called the recommended section, as you can see right here. Now what that's going to go ahead and do, that's going to go ahead and auto populate all of your frequently used apps and your favorite programs or whatnot. Now that's great and all if you're the only one using the computer, but if somebody else is using the computer along with you, that could really compromise your privacy. All right, so you definitely don't want nobody to know what you're looking at if you're opening certain files, certain pictures, etc, etc. All right, so today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get rid of that section right there. All right, so it's really simple. First thing you're gonna want to go ahead and do, go ahead and click right here where it says settings, and then after that you're gonna want to come over here to the left hand side where it says personalization. Then you're gonna want to scroll down a little bit right here where it says start. Click that right there. Now in this area, this is where you want to go ahead and concentrate. As you can see, all of these are turned on. Go ahead and turn all of these three sections to off. Okay, as you can see, show recently added apps, turn that off. Show most used apps, turn that off as well. Show recently open items and start jump list and file explorer, go ahead and turn that off as well. All right, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and let you see the difference. Okay, this is without turning everything off. As you can see, it's pretty cool. I'm the only one that uses this computer anyway. If that's the case, that's great, but there's a lot of people out there that share the computer with their family, with their friends, so you definitely don't want nobody to know all of your programs or whatever. Okay, so as you can see the difference. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn everything off. There you go. So you can see that's a lot cleaner. Not everybody's gonna know if you opened a file, a picture, video, whatever. Okay, so that will definitely come in really handy if you're sharing your computer with other people. All right, so that's gonna do it right here for this video. Very simple, as you can see, really straightforward, and that will really help you out. All right, so that's another video brought to you by your boy Luis. Please like and subscribe. Take care out there. Peace out.